create a shortcut of this file. Let me create a shortcut. Create shortcut. Here is a shortcut file of this. Just click, then go properties. Properties for you, I will choose. Then after here is change. Then it says this. Just click OK. You can browse. You can download an image of a PUBG game, anything. Paste in here. I haven't downloaded anything. Just I will make it look like something similar, like in PUBG or anything. Let's make it look like a video. So I will make this. Let me see what I have in here. So what it's have internet. If you want to put in a PUBG logo, just you need to do this browse icon. See, from here you can just choose video, picture, anything you can choose. Simply I will choose that one video icon presenting there. Video icon. Yep. Okay. Apply. Then okay. I will make big. See, now it is looking like in a video. So this is an original file. After that, you can try this by yourself. Nothing will happen. Just your PC will shut down. Otherwise, you can send this to your friends also. So for now, this much only. Thank you.